Is this better? Is back now? Okay, great. Okay, again, we started here. Let me see if I can go back. Started here. 90,000 of you joined us. 90,000. That's great. Okay. We got 120,000 Facebook apps, and that is Le Jour. For those of you that didn't join us on September 6th, today, we've taken all your thoughts, all your input, right? This is your company. We're building this together. And today, I'm excited to announce that we're delivering 3 remarkable tools to you. The first is a fan page builder on steroids. The second is a breakthrough mobile app creator. And the third is a simply remarkable website builder. Fan page builder on steroids, breakthrough mobile app creator, and a simply remarkable website builder. All right, fan page builder on steroids, breakthrough mobile app creator, and guys, a simply remarkable website builder. Yes or no? Who is stoked to see these bad boys in action? Give me a big ol' yes in the questions. Who is stoked to see these things in action? Here's the beautiful thing, guys. You're not going to believe this. We've taken a fan page, a mobile app, and a website. All builders. These are not 3 separate things. This is one thing, guys, and we're calling it Heyo. All right? Say it with me. Heyo. Right? Right? This thing is amazing. Fan page builder on steroids, breakthrough mobile app creator, and a simply remarkable website builder. And today, guys, I want to show you guys exclusively how it works and what it costs and what it means for your current Le Jour account and your current tabs. And guys, I got to tell you, I mean, this thing is unlike anything you've ever seen before. But here's what I need you to do first. I need all of you to go to heyo.com/live. heyo.com/live and scroll down to the bottom. Okay? Scroll to the bottom of the page. And on this page, you'll see a comment stream. Okay? And I want you to comment on that comment stream and let me know which one you're most excited about. The mobile app, the website, or the breakthrough fan page builder. All right? heyo.com/live. We've got 180 people watching right now. If I get at least 100 of you to go to heyo.com/live, that's heyo.com/live, click like and click the tweet button, and in the comments, let me know which one you're most excited about. Okay? And if at least half of you do that, I'm going to jump in, and for the first time, you're going to see exactly how this incredible tool works, and you're going to feel the power that it's going to bring to your fingertips. So go to heyo.com/live right now. Scroll down, click the like button, click the tweet button, and add in a comment and tell me which one you're most excited about. I'll give you a second to do that. All right, I'll give you all a second to do that. All right. Again, it's HTTPS, guys. Sorry, HTTPS. Okay, let's talk to Eric Lepping. Eric, I don't know if we're gonna hit 100, my man. You gotta pump up the crowd. Let me unmute you. Let me unmute Eric. A B C D E F G H A B C D E. We have so many folks on. There's Eric. All right, Eric Lepping. Let's unmute. All right, and you guys should not, no one should be getting a 404 error. It should work. All right. Eric Lepping, you're unmuted, my man. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
All right. What are you telling people? Should they go here and do this? How bad do you want to see this thing?
Come on, you made us sit through the last webinar. We're sitting through this one. We know that the fan page builder is awesome. Let's see the new stuff. You guys
There
got
you
to get
go,
out there
right?
and post some comments. Come on, make Nathan unlock this stuff.
Let's refresh it here. And my computer, man, is so slow. Let's refresh. I wonder why that is. What's making this thing so slow? I bet it's Keynote. All right, let me exit out of that. All right. Refresh. And bear with me 1 second, guys, while I let this bad boy refresh. Bear with me, guys. I'm just working on a little bit of technical difficulty here on our end with computer speed. 1 second. Give you guys plenty of time to get to heyo.com/live and click the tweet, like, and leave a comment. Okay? I got to force quit here. All right, there we go. That should make us a little bit faster. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Everyone should be able to see my screen again. Sorry. Okay, fantastic. All right, what we're going to do, it looks like, look at everyone here. I love this. People are loving this already. What I'm going to do is jump in now to the tool, and we're going to start with the fan page builder on steroids. I think this is one of the things you guys are really going to love. Look at this, 71 people in a little under a minute posting here. I love this. I love this. Let's look at some of these comments here. Okay, I'm excited about the website builder. Birdie says mobile apps. Linda says fan page builder on steroids. Kim says these are like my kids. I can't pick a favorite. I love this. Okay, enough of this. Enough of me building up. Let's jump in, guys. All right, who's ready? Buckle up, guys. Buckle up. And I want to unmute one of you guys while we do this so I can get some live feedback. All right. Let me go in. Okay, so guys, we're going to start off here right at the beginning. What you see here, this is where everybody will start, okay? Again, if you weren't paying attention to my screen, you want to start paying attention right now, okay? I don't want you guys to miss this. Everyone will start off right at this screen. This is your dashboard, okay? Now, does everybody notice, and guys, if you have questions, type them in, okay, guys? Type them in, okay? So what will happen is all of you guys that have fan pages already attached to your account, they'll show up right here, listed, right down with the thumbnail. Does everyone understand this? It's going to be a big old yes in the questions if you get this. Look how organized it is. It's really, really gorgeous. It just is beautiful. They're all listed here. Now watch this. This thing's really cool. Ready? Watch this live search. Let's say you're looking for one of your fan pages. If you have multiple of them, you can search and it's live. Isn't that cool? And this is like as good as Google's instant search. Isn't this great? And this is just the dashboard. This is awesome. No way that you can ever lose anything in this dashboard. You're super organized, super productive. I mean, this in itself really is fantastic. Okay? So you've got it all listed here. Now, let's jump in to one of these editors. All right, what do you want to see first, guys? Social, mobile, or web? Tell me in the questions. What do you want to see first? Social, mobile, or web? Web, mobile, web, social, mobile, web, social. Come on. What do you want to see? Type it in right now. Mobile, mobile, web, social, 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 web, 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 social, Facebook, Facebook, mobile, web, web, web. Wow. Everyone wants to see every one of these. Let's go order. We'll go in order. Let's do social first. I'm going to click edit. Now watch carefully, guys. I don't want you guys to miss this. I'll click edit and watch how beautiful this interface is. I mean, you get into this social editor and it is so simple, yet so powerful. It's exactly what you need to build a fan page that sells, a fan page that gets you leads, and a fan page that helps you drive likes for your clients if you're building it for other folks. I know many of you use the tool to build for other folks. So notice what we've got here, okay? Notice what we've got here. Okay, so right up here is the fan page that I'm working on. Okay, notice how easy it is to switch from fan page to fan page. Isn't this great? I think Joanna told us months ago, she said, Nathan, we need an easy way to be in the editor and switch from fan page to fan page so that we don't have to go back to the dashboard to edit a new tab. So guys, is this great? Maybe that was Lotta Karlberg who suggested that. You can switch from fan page to fan page right here. It's so, so simple. And this is just the beginning. So let's look at Carrie's here, all right? Watch this. Here's your themes. And boy, oh boy, these themes are gorgeous. They're listed up here right across the top, okay? And any one of these that you want to apply, you just click it. It's you a preview. And if you want the preview, okay, you can click apply here and it'll keep it. Or you can click another one and it will show you that live preview. Isn't this fantastic how easy it is to look at what different themes look like? Right? So you can see them before you apply them. This is great. And guys, there are going to be Brian, how many themes are we going to have? There's going to be dozens, right? Thumbs up if we got dozens. How many? 330? 33? 0. 30. We're going to have 30 fantastic themes in here, guys. 30 themes. I mean, this is great. The beautiful thing about this is the themes will continue to grow. So as more folks use themes, we'll develop more of them, and we'll show you ones that we think will work best for your market. So over here on the left, you'll see staff recommended, new themes this month, and most popular. Or a custom blank app, you can still do that, no problem, by clicking custom blank app. All right. So again, guys, these themes are just beautiful. Now, once you have themes that and look how easy it is too, you can change the background color. Super simple to change the colors right here. Okay. Let's now go into the widgets. Okay, let's go in for the widgets. Eileen Smith said, I asked for more themes a long time ago. So happy to see them now. Eileen, that is great. Hey guys, check this out. Here's what I want to do. If you guys see things that you love right now, I want you to tweet to us. It's at Heyo, okay? And just tweet at Heyo, I love themes, or I love the widgets, or I love the new dashboard. Okay, it's at Heyo, at Heyo. All right, great. Okay, let's go to widgets now. Okay, let's go to widgets. Let's go to widget. Now keep in mind, guys, you guys are the first folks seeing this. So if you want to grab your phone and take a twit pic of it and tweet it out to everyone, man, you are literally going to be the first person showing this amazing tool to the market if you do that. And I'll tell you what, people are going to fall in love with this tool once we release it to everyone. This is really great. So notice how all the widgets are here. Give me a big old cheers in the questions if you love the fact that they're all in color. This is great. They're all in color. They scroll so beautifully. Look at this. You just scroll through them. This is great. Nothing else is this easy to use and this smooth. Look at how you just scroll through them. Beautiful, rich colors. Super, super easy. And guys, just like always, we're not going to force you into a template. Just like always, it's as simple as click, drag, drop, and you're going to type in and edit in the pop-ups. It's really that easy, okay? It's really that easy. So a share button, again, put in the link that you want, right? And save changes. If you want to move it around, again, guys, look at the flexibility. This is unlike anything that has ever existed before. Look at how easy it is to manipulate this YouTube video. So you've got great, great widgets. Widgets you're going to love. Hey, if you love these widgets, tweet us at Heyo. I love these widgets. These are really, really great. Google Maps, hotspots, iframes, PayPal, Flash, Flickr, images, slideshows, text, Twitter, YouTube, like button, restaurants, Skype, e-commerce. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. I mean, this is great. Okay, this is great. Now, over on the left, you can filter. Okay, so you can filter by type, social streams, right? Or maybe industry, so product, real estate, restaurant. Or maybe you want formatting tools like the rich text field or images. Or maybe you want video. So you're going to get Vimeo and YouTube, okay? Or maybe you're wondering, hey, everyone's having success using Heyo. What widgets are they using? You can click most popular and we'll show you the widgets that are the most popular. Isn't that great, guys? Let me read some of these questions here. Rich Hope says, love the entire screen. I know, Rich, isn't this great? So look at this. No matter how wide the screen is, right? Look how we can go thin or wide, and look how it's responsive. Isn't that great? I mean, this is really the most beautiful editor for fan pages, mobile apps, and websites. Okay, so those are your widgets. Now, this left bar is new as well. Okay, this left bar is new as well. Notice how we can move it around, right? It's just like, well, there's not really much like it, right? It's super easy to use, though. Put it wherever you want. Change your backdrop. Maybe you want to put a grid, right? The grid will help you design beautiful things. All right, so let's show the grid here. And then you can snap things to the grid, okay? Move it around, and watch this, guys. There's an undo button. If you want to go back, I mean, this is great. This undo button saves you from making costly mistakes. Look at this rule, turns on and off. See how it just fades in and fades out? Woo! Gorgeous. Now, you may be wondering, what about the in-Facebook, about the like gate? What about the adding new tabs? Here's the like gate. Just click it, and we'll allow you to edit the like gate for that same tab. Okay? It's really, really easy to use. Now, what if you want the in-Facebook editor? Just click FB Editor right here in the sidebar, and when you click that, you can click Enable or Disable. And if you want to add a new tab, you just click right here, and you can add a new tab. And here is what's great, guys. All of your tabs will be listed right here, okay, right here across the top. Isn't this great? So we can go from tab to tab. They're all listed right here across the top, okay? And if you want to hide them, click the little up arrow, and we'll pull that back. See how easy that is? Whoop, whoop, boom. Super easy, okay? Super easy, okay? Now, Leanne says, will they auto-save if you click somewhere else? The answer is yes, Leanne. You see right now the save button is faded out. If the second I change anything, it'll go black again and ask me to save. See? Then it'll save, and then it'll ask you to save again if you make a new change. Or if you switch, it'll save as well. So guys, I'm breezing through this extremely, extremely quick. What do you think? This is the fan page builder on steroids. It's the best fan page builder you're going to be able to touch. I mean, this thing is really, really great. It truly is a fan page builder on steroids, Kip. All right? Now watch this. We're going to jump now into the breakthrough mobile app creator. And guys, this really is a breakthrough. So many people are looking at the market and going, I need a mobile app. You know, they could buy one for 2,000, 3,000 bucks. Even worse, Facebook hasn't made fan page tabs available on mobile. Why haven't they done this? You guys need this. This is going to make you successful. Well, guys, I'm thrilled to share with you today, Heyo has done it, and you're going to see it right now. Watch closely because I'm going to switch over to mobile so quick you might miss it if you're not watching. Look how easy it is to switch right over to mobile or web. Here it is. I'm going to switch to mobile, and what you guys are going to see is that right inside the editor, we're going to auto-create a mobile app based on fan page data for that same fan page we were just editing on the social builder. And look how great this thing looks. Look at how great this thing looks. Carrie's cover photo was pulled in, so people like Jill Sessa who are building cover images for folks, this thing pulls right into the mobile app. I mean, this is remarkable. I can't help but get excited. It also pulls in the thumbnail right off of Facebook. Okay? Pulls in the thumbnail right off of Facebook. Let's go in and dig in to what options we have in this mobile editor. Okay? And this truly is a breakthrough. No one has done this before. The most important thing I'm going to show you, and you guys are going to go crazy when I show you this. Let me open up the widgets. And what you're going to see are all these options right here. Does everyone see this right here across the bottom? Does everyone see this? When you click this thumbnail right here, these will all fold back down. And when you click it, they spin out. It's so, so cool. It's really, really cool. Okay? Let me go ahead and open up and show you how it works. Give me guys, you guys just sound quick. Okay, sorry about that, guys. So you notice here, just like social, we've got themes and widgets across the top. When we launch this on October 3rd, so folks can actually use it, there will be no themes. In fact, there'll be a question box here that's going to ask you guys what themes you'd like to see, and we'll build them for you. So there won't be themes. Now, the widgets are where things get really exciting. First things first, you can click Edit on fan page tabs, and any fan page tab that you've built on the social builder will show up here, and you can check on or off to have it show in the mobile app. I mean, this is really, really great, simply because there's no other way to do this right now. It just doesn't exist. So this is really, really great. Do you guys can you still hear me?
So guys, the great thing about this dashboard is you'll be able, again, our goal is to make it really, really easy. You'll be able to go in here yourself and directly edit social, mobile, or web right off the dashboard. Or, again, using this, you can switch from fan page to fan page, no problem, or products to product, social, mobile, web. So let's dig in now into this breakthrough mobile builder. Again, I explained how the themes, we're going to ask you guys which themes you like. So there won't be themes when we launch next week. But when we go to widgets, this is where this thing is powerful. If we click Edit on Fan Page tabs, we can go in here and it will find the fan page tabs that you've created in the social builder. Now, we haven't saved or published any. And these are the only ones that will show here. They're ones that are installed on the fan page. So we haven't published any of these live, but when you guys come in here, if you have tabs that are installed to these fan pages, they'll all show right here. And you can click Enable to make them your home page layout if you want. Okay, and this is the home page layout. As you guys can see, the home page layout right now are photos, which we're pulling, again, right out of Facebook. Okay, and here's how you edit those. We'll just click Photos, and look at this. We can select which ones we want to show, enable it as a home page layout, click Save Changes, and they'll show right here. I mean, this is really, really great. All your Facebook photos now right inside of your mobile app. Okay? All right? And again, I will absolutely, guys, take questions here right at the end. I know I'm going over because of technical difficulties. Let me show you what else you can do on the mobile. You can create a mobile app and allow consumers who use the mobile app to immediately call the business. So if it's a restaurant or a realtor or a consultant, you can call it right in from the mobile app. I mean, this is phenomenal, okay? Then we go in and you can set up deals, right? How many of you work with restaurants or real estate agents or other places that could use a deal? Yes or no? Let me know. Deb, Lisa Blacker, Jan, Peter Hall, Jim Farnsworth. How many of you guys would love deals? All right, and here's the great thing. You don't have to give 50% to Living Social or Groupon. You keep it all. Heyo is really, really great. And it's simple as this. Watch how easy it is to edit a deal. You just click and start typing, right? Off my new, we could say if it's a restaurant, off the new meal, right? Click Done, and then again, just click to text. Get our spicy, oh, Brian, give me a food. Spicy what? Spicy wings, 50% off before September, or we'll do before October 6th. And you simply click Done. Set up an expiration date by clicking anything on the menu, on the calendar. Click Save Changes, and that deal will show. This is really, really great. You can have a start date and an expiration date. So we've got calling, we've got deals. Again, if you click Facebook, this is the big, big, big deal. You can take your tabs and put them right in the Facebook mobile app. Guys, you've been waiting for this. Facebook hasn't done it. On a scale of 0 to 10, how stoked are you that we figured it out here at Heyo? 0 to 10. How stoked are you that we figured it out here at Heyo? Brian, people love it. Getting some love. All right. This feed is moving so quick with so many folks. So this is great, guys. You should tell all your friends about this. It really feels amazing when you use it. And you can't do this anywhere else, only with Heyo. So that's that. Additionally, if they go in here and use the mobile app, again, if Carrie's fans use the mobile app, they can email her. So leads can contact her right from the mobile app. You just put in the email address that you want the emails to go to. Isn't that great, Lisa? Judy, Mark, Stillwell, Amy Wong, isn't that email feature just great? Okay? Again, you go in here, you can do photos as well. We already talked about that. And lastly, we can go in here and do Twitter. We've done Twitter. I mean, so this is great. It's not just Facebook anymore. You can type in the Twitter username and click select, and we'll pull in that feed along with the follow button right in to the mobile app. I mean, this is really, really stunning. I've never seen this before. This mobile builder is one of the most beautiful things we've ever built. So we've talked about the fan page builder on steroids. This really, truly a breakthrough mobile app creator. And lastly, we've got to talk about the simply remarkable website builder. Okay? Now, before I do that, I want to let y'all know, if you're not an iPhone user, you're still rocking Android, we can show you how it looks on Android. Or, look, I feel for you if you're still using Windows, but we got that too. Isn't that great how you can see what it'll look like on each phone? All right? Don't tell me if you're still using Windows. I'm going to have to ban you from Heyo. All right? Isn't that great, guys? iPhone, Android, and Windows all in one. Is there any way we can show them what the mobile app would look like on the phone? Or they're just going to have to wait till October 3rd to see that? Okay, so I just click publish and get the link. All right, guys, I've gotten permission from Brian to show you this. Gotten permission, so I'm going to click publish. I'm going to copy this link. And what I'll do is I'll open it in a new browser window, which I'm then going to make really, really small to mimic a mobile device. All right, so here it is. Let's say you're viewing this on a mobile device. Yeah, everyone say, yeah, Brian, right? He gave me permission. So here we go. Now, keep in mind, we just talked about this. Watch what this does, guys, when we click this. It's really great. You see that? Look, I'll do it again. This is just fantastic. Isn't this great? So all your little widgets pop up. I mean, this is just great. It's really addicting, too. So when people then click on these, let's say they click on Twitter. Look at this. Shows the full Twitter feed right in the mobile app, along with a follow button. Let's go back. Maybe we want to look at profile or pictures from the fan page. Look at how beautiful this image viewer is, right? All within the mobile app. See, all your Facebook albums pulled right in, okay? Pulled right in. Now, a lot of you are asking about this branding. We have an option with the mobile app to do a white label, so you can pay to have that removed. And I'll talk about pricing here in a little bit, okay? So this really is great. Facebook, Twitter, photos, deals, right? Or maybe, again, if this was actually on a mobile phone, I could click email and phone, and it'll tie right in with the phone, okay? So guys, grade this. What do you think? 0 to 10, 10 being, Nathan, this thing is just fantastic. What do you think about this mobile app builder? Have you ever seen anything like this before? Has anyone seen anything like this before? Let's talk to Vicki Griffith real quick. Vicki, have you ever seen something like this? You're unmuted. Oh, Vicki doesn't have a microphone. Let's try somebody else. Let's try Damon Nelson. Hey, Damon, you there? Okay, let me go in here. Damon Nelson, are you there?
Yes.
Isn't this great?
Oh, it's awesome. I'm a designer myself and trying to just figure out how you did it so nice and pretty.
Yeah, I mean, our goal is just to make this so simple for you guys. And the beautiful thing is, this isn't just a random site out on the Ethernet, right? It doesn't just exist out there. It's built into a beautiful mobile app. I mean, this is just through the roof awesome. Damon, hey, thanks for the feedback, buddy. All right, let me chat with one other person here. Let's talk to Adam Leha. Adam, are you there? Adam is, okay, no mic. Let's try one other person, and we'll get into, then we'll jump right into the the mobile builder. Let's try, let me see if I can find a name. Pat Zymer. Hey, Pat, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
What do you think about this? Isn't this amazing?
Yeah, I think it's very nice. I'm excited about it and interested to learn more. Of course, interested in the pricing, see how that's going to shake out. But yeah, it looks great.
Fantastic. And you guys, again, will be the first. You're the first to see this full overview of the platform, and I'll show you pricing here in a second as well, along with taking all your questions, Pat. So we've got you covered. Okay. So that is the Breakthrough Mobile App Creator. Again, fan page builder on steroids, Breakthrough Mobile App Creator, and guys, watch how easy this is to switch into the website builder. Here we go. We're going to go into the website builder. Just like that. I'm going to move my little thing around over here however I want. And I have, again, beautiful themes to use. I've got great widgets to use, just like on the fan page builder. So imagine what you can do with this. All those people you see doing massive launches with a title and then a video and then an opt-in, you guys can build that now right into a website. Or what we've done here with Carrie is we wanted to build her a site that sells, right? So a site that sells. And what we've done, as you can see, oh, did I lose audio? Can you guys hear me? Okay. I believe, I'm confident that this website builder is the most simple yet powerful website builder there is out there. It's designed so that you can set up a site that sells. This is way simpler than WordPress. It's way simpler than anything else out there on the market. Why? Because it's as simple as drag and drop. Just like everything else we do, folks. It's drag and drop. So every time you want to launch a new product, every time you want to showcase a new about page, anything you want to set up to market, whether it's a product, a book, anything, you can set it up on its own site using the same intuition and editing tools that we've used on the social builder. So this really is great. Jan Rossi says, so you're really making a landing page, right? That's exactly right, Jan. We believe that you guys should put your energy and time into creating a landing page that helps drive sales, right? We don't want you guys paying consultants 5, 7, 10 grand to build a website that doesn't lead to success. This tool puts success right in your hand. This tool puts success right in your hand. It really is great. Let me get some feedback here because this is the first time somebody is seeing this. Let's talk to Stephanie Fisher. Stephanie, what do you think? Hey, Stephanie Fisher, you're unmuted. Can you hear me? Hey, Stephanie, we can hear you. Go ahead and say something.
Oh, hey, Nathan.
Hey, how are you?
I'm doing great.
What do you think about this website builder? Isn't this just super, super simple and easy?
I am so excited.
We saw such a big potential to bring the same simplicity we brought to Facebook for you guys to use on your websites and your landing pages, and that's what this does.
Yeah, for me, I'm not very tech savvy, so I'm excited about just being able to drag and drop.
That's it. It's as simple as drag and drop. Let's do it real quick. Drag, drop. Just like that. Put in the URL you want, save changes. Whoops, let me go back here. Save changes, and you can drag it around just like this. So for all of you guys that are, you spend time researching on Google how to code a website, you have no excuses now. Success is at your fingertips with this tool. Now, when you publish it, we'll give you a unique URL that you see here. and you can then set up any kind of forwarding or any kind of masking that you want with it, right? So you each have your own URL. And this is super, super sweet, okay? Super sweet. Let me mute here. Okay, great. So the beautiful thing is, again, is we're also building into a point where we're hosting the site, Jim. We're hosting the site, okay? So this is how it's going to work. I want to pause right now and take questions about the functionality of these, and then we'll get into the pricing. So, guys, ask away. Go to our fan page, okay? Facebook.com/Heyo. Click like and ask all your questions there so I can read them and get them answered. Okay, ask them here so I can read them and get them answered. Okay. All right, so someone says, Adrian Kern said, Nathan, are you saying this will compete with WordPress and Optimized Press? Adrian, this, we had an opportunity here at Lejour to create something. We've got a remarkable team, extremely talented. We wanted to create something that was leaps and bounds above anything else on the market, and that's what we've built, just the best. And Adrian, once you get in there and start using it, you're going to see how powerful this is. It really is the easiest way to launch a website that drives sales. Okay, let me refresh. Again, ask your questions here. I know it's probably taking you guys some time to get here. Okay, here we go. Kevin McNutley. The one thing I'm wondering is how will end users of the Facebook page access these apps? Will they have to download a Heyo app? Kevin, I assume you're talking about the mobile app builder. The beautiful thing is you can put in a mobile number and we will text your potential customers a link to your mobile app. They don't have to download a Heyo app. Isn't that great? So they won't have to download a Heyo app. Eric Leffing said, question, so the mobile app would be accessed via a web browser. No, Eric, that was just me showing you it. What we would do in the mobile builder, let me switch back to it. Click publish. Here, I'll give one of you lucky folks. Can I take one of their numbers and text it to them? I'll give one of you lucky folks a sneak preview. The first person to type their phone number into the look at all these people typing their phone number in before I even finished. Okay, Stephen Aubringer got it first. Let me copy his phone number here. And sorry, Stephen, but everyone's going to see it. Send text link, and that's going to go right to your phone, Stephen. Okay, let me go unmute Stephen Aubringer. Stephen, you there? Stephen, can you hear me? You're unmuted. Okay, Stephen's not there. But what this does, again, is you can push it out right to their phone. And the great thing is we're going to be partnering with a text message marketing firm that will allow you to text this app out to as many folks as you like. The great thing is you can also set up a social tab. Right, we'll set up a new tab that says, check out our mobile app. Create tab. Okay, and what will happen is you can then set that up. So when people click that on your Facebook page, it'll automatically text them a link or email them out a link to the mobile app. And when they open the email on their phone, they can then view it right on their phone. All right? Or you can use your QR code. You can use whatever you want. It's really, really simple. Okay, let's see. What other questions are getting asked? Are we able to build full sites or just one-page sites? Again, Dan, we think websites are just wrong right now how they're being built. So many people are building these websites with 7,000 tabs and an About Us page, a Contact Us page, all this stuff. We wanted to give you a tool that was going to help you drive and build a site that sells, and that's what we've done. So you have the ability to build as many website landing pages as you want, okay? As many as you want. David Kastner said, how wide is the web page? The answer to that is 810 pixels wide, David. 810 pixels wide. Okay, let me refresh. And I got to tell you guys, all these people, can you see this shot right here? All these people got to check out the mobile app. They didn't get to use it, but I showed it to them, and they loved it. I mean, this mobile app really is amazing. Okay, let me see what other questions are coming in. Okay, let me scroll down. Oh, here we go. Alex is on it. Good. Good. Holy cow. Okay. Blossom Vincent said, is the website builder the mobile website? No, there's 3 products. A social tab builder for tabs for fan pages, a mobile app builder, and a website builder. These are 3 tools that you can use to build tabs on Facebook, mobile apps, and website. Does that make sense, guys? All right. All 3. Okay, Jim O'Reilly says, for my hotel, I want to be able to bring my booking engine and map into the mobile app. Jim, you absolutely can. How can you do that? Well, you build it into a social tab, and then you enable that tab on the mobile app, right? So you can put any kind of custom content you want right in the mobile app by creating a tab for it first. Okay, Leanne says, social and mobile look fantastic, but the redirect for the web concerns me. What about SEO and getting websites found on Google? Again, Leanne, our focus is about helping you create a site that sells with a clear call to action, whether it's buy or insert or putting in your email. So that's what our focus is, success through sales. Bianca said, are our customers going to have access to the back office like they do on WordPress? Bianca, that will be up to you, and if you want to share your login criteria. Mike said, will the tabs from FanPage come over to the website? Not for launch, Mike, but this is something in our developer roadmap about bringing tabs automatically into their own website landing page. Brian, that's accurate, right? Okay, great. Okay. Jim Farnsworth said, I didn't see the FanPage tabs on the mobile app. Did I miss it? Again, Jim, we don't have an example social tab published live yet because, again, the tool's not live. But both of these, once you publish it, will show up in the mobile app right here. See, there's no tabs found because we haven't published them yet. But they'll be able to view tabs right in the mobile app. Okay? Okay. Looks like Alex got Rich's question. Got that one answered. Again, guys, we're going to get to pricing here in a second. I want to get any functional questions answered about the tool first. Okay, a lot of people asking about SEO. Again, we have a text tool that you can drag and drop into that website builder, and that text as metadata is what will drive a lot of your SEO efforts. But again, the focus of this is a site that sells, right? You can do all the SEO optimization in the world, but if it doesn't have you sell products, it doesn't matter. And guys, we're going to have training on this every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday with Alex and David. So this is just the beginning. This isn't even live yet. It goes live on October 3rd. I wanted to show you guys first because you're all current paying folks, and I want to explain how the pricing will work for you. What is the mechanism that reflects the client's URL? So Angela, you can do this on your hosting backend if you want. We'll also provide a unique URL for you. Are we able to charge for the mobile apps? Come on, guys. Who can answer that question? How many of you guys are excited to sell these awesome mobile apps out to your own customer bases? Right? There's people paying a ton of money for these mobile apps, $2,000 to $3,000. We're going to help you guys as consultants sell these things out like you wouldn't believe. Absolutely. Okay, Adrian, again, asking how the domain URL works. Adrian, for the website builder, will automatically generate that URL for you, and then you can choose what you want to do regarding redirects. Dave Hobbley asked, does the website builder slice or compress your images for ease of use for loading? The answer to that, Dave, is no, but we use a CDN, so we take care of some of that optimization. Again, tip, guys, I want to be really clear here real quick. This is not live right now. If you go to heyo.com, you can't get to it. We're not going live until October 3rd, okay? And you should make sure that you guys bookmark heyo.com/live. Again, 8 days, 22 hours, 51 minutes, and 56, 55, 54, 53 seconds will go live right here on this page where you'll actually be able to get in and start using it. I'm showing you guys because you're all current users, and I want you guys to get in and give feedback before anybody else. Fantastic questions, guys. Keep them coming. So I know Alex is in here right now answering questions as fast as he can, so is David. So guys, we'll get all these answered via text. Keep them coming, okay? Keep them coming. I want to jump in now and go to the pricing. Okay? Who wants to see the pricing? Yes or no? Who is excited to see the pricing of this bad boy? I'll tell you what, you guys are not going to believe what we've done from a pricing perspective. There are people that are charging $3,000 to build a website or $2,500 to build a mobile app. We've done something fantastic when it comes to your ability to get on and use this tool however you like. Let me show you what I mean. Let me show you what I mean. All right, I'm going to show this. I'm going to show this, and I'll do a countdown because this is exciting. Okay? 3, 2, 1. This is the pricing. First time we've shared this, guys, please do not take a picture of this. Don't tweet it. Don't share it. I want you guys to see this so I can help you understand what you're currently paying and how you'll be grandfathered in. Every single one of you listening right now that is paying for features on Leisure, so let's say you're paying $300 a month for unlimited tabs, unlimited pages, and white label, right, and all the other goodies on a $300 plan. You will be automatically grandfathered into the fan page builder, okay, the fan page builder product. You'll be put right in, okay? Now, if you're on a consultant plan, we've got unlimited tabs and unlimited pages, but not the white label, you'll be grandfathered into unlimited pages and unlimited tabs, and you'll have the option to purchase the white label, okay? Some people are asking, what does grandfathered mean? Again, guys, grandfathered means you'll be able to go in, right, and you get it automatically. We're not going to charge you more for the features. If you're already paying us for features, we're not going to charge you more for those same features that you have. So if you have white label, it'll carry over, right, for the fan page product. Okay, these are 3 separate products. So no one will be grandfathered into anything under the mobile or the web, okay? But if you have white label for the social, that'll be grandfathered in. Unlimited for social, again, grandfathered in. Does that make sense, guys? I'm expecting a lot of questions here, okay? Let me go in and talk about mobile. So this is what's cool. Let's say you want to build 1 mobile app, right? Maybe you want 4 to 10 mobile apps. We have got this down to a stunningly fantastic price that anybody can use. We're charging $5 a month. $5 a month for a mobile app. Imagine what you can use this mobile app for your business, whether it's a restaurant or real estate, or if you're going to go in and sell to other people and we're charging you $5 a month, imagine how much profit you're going to make. Isn't that great? Okay. Okay. So again, you can search what you want. If you want 4 to 10 mobile apps, it's $42 per month. 11 or more, it's $70 per month. And then let's say you wanted to get all of those white labeled, right? You just click white label. It's an additional $40 per month. Okay? Let me reiterate again. I'll say this over and over. Whatever you currently have on the social, on Leisure, you will get on the fan page builder portion of Heyo. So if you have a white label on Leisure, you will have a white label fan page tabs. If you're already paying for the ability to create unlimited tabs on unlimited pages, you'll have that same ability on Heyo. Okay, does that make sense? Let's get some feedback here. I got to get some feedback. This is the first time the pricing is out. Bianca, lay it on me. Bianca Hassenkel, are you there?
Yep, I'm right here.
Okay, what do you think? I mean, isn't this pricing? Be honest with me, but I got to tell you, when we put this together, we're looking at it going, holy cow, this is a no-brainer. What do you think?
It's really cool. I like the pricing. I mean, the prices are comparable and competitive, much more than competitive. They're amazing. I was just wondering more about us who've purchased the mobile part before, way back when.
Yes. Fantastic question. Anyone who's listening right now that purchased the $147 mobile app, that $147 will be credited, Bianca, into your mobile account. So if you go in here and select 11 plus and white label, so it's $110 per month, we'll cover that. It'll be credited back to your account. Does that make sense?
It does, but I mean, we had paid for a whole year of mobile access. So how does that work now?
Yeah, so if you're only doing one app, white label for the year, right, or just one app for the year, that's covered. It all depends on what you scale up to. If you scale up to 11 plus, right, there's more there. If you're just using one, it's $5 a month.
Okay, I was under a different impression. All right.
Well, hey, ask your question, because I bet a lot of other people have the same question.
Well, no, because I mean, when we went through this, I think it was like back in May or something like that, with Leisure, it was, unlimited apps, unlimited mobile apps, and we would pay the one price a year, and we would get it, every year. I mean, that's what I had understood. If I understood wrong, then I would like to get the feedback from everybody else, because I believe we all understood the same thing, that it was going to be the one price we would pay once a year for the access to make as many mobile apps back then. At that moment, it was as many mobile apps as we wanted, because we were getting a special, the pricing for, being one of the first ones. So
Sure.
I don't know.
Hey, sure, no, I understand. Well, regardless of what we said, what's important to me is what you guys interpreted it as. So if the majority of folks interpreted it as unlimited, we'll work that into the pricing. Bianca, we're super, we try and be super transparent with this kind of stuff. So,
absolutely, and that's what I love about you guys. And me, I'm always here for you guys, and cheering you on, and always backing you guys up. I don't want to put you guys in a situation or anything, but I was just under that impression. So I was trying to understand how this was going to work now, especially, we had purchased it back in May.
It's for the year. Yeah, it's for the year. So I want to be clear on that, guys. It's for the year. What we're trying to figure out here is the unlimited versus one or two. And look, again, we want you guys to be super happy. So I just need to check in with Josh and Brian and ensure that there's a way to do that. And Bianca, what I'll do is I'll be sure to send out an email in the coming days to you folks who did that 147, so that you guys are super clear about what you're getting.
Absolutely. I would really appreciate it. But other than that, everything looks amazing, and I'm excited about it.
Yeah, what we're really excited about is the fact that folks can get in here and get white label mobile apps for just $40 a month, Bianca. Doesn't that jazz you up?
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's
I mean,
awesome.
It's great. The people are going to build fantastic businesses, I think.
Yeah, definitely.
Great. Okay, so does everyone, folks, ask your questions away, and if you have your microphone connected, raise your hand and I'll unmute you and we can talk live. Let me go through here. What questions do you guys have? Again, Q&A you can post Q&A you can post right on our fan page. Let me go open that up again. Okay, let's see here. Okay, okay, Ross says, question, what will the pricing for social if you're not currently on Leisure? Okay, and so Ross, so again, if you're not currently on Leisure for the social platform, those pricing options, you'll see. What I'm trying to make clear is everyone on right now, you should be, excuse me, already using to some extent the social builder, and you'll automatically get those features on the new platform, okay? Okay, let's see what else. Okay, Gabe Nasser says, so Nathan, if we have unlimited business plan right now, what will we get now? Gabe, if you're paying for the unlimited Leisure plan, that means you have unlimited fan page tabs on unlimited fan pages and white label. So you will get all of those for the fan page builder on steroid. And then you can make a decision about which of these you'd like. Okay? So you can make a decision about which one of these you want to buy. And the great thing is, guys, is it's not like 30 or 300. A lot of you guys told us you wanted something in between, right? So you can do 2 to 3, 4 to 10, 11 plus, or go up to a white label without having to pay a ton. And so this is great. I think hundreds and hundreds of thousands of folks are going to take advantage of this. And you guys got it first. You're looking at it here first, okay? Okay, let me keep asking, see what some of these questions are. Okay. Okay, Antoine Douglas said, is the pricing for mobile apps per page or total one app per page on one app? Antoine Douglas, the pricing for mobile, okay, the pricing for mobile is this. In order to create, let me open it, this app, right? This app, so this one's for Heyo, right? In order to create that app for that fan page, again, let me open up the dashboard. In order to create the mobile app for the Carrie Wilkerson fan page, that would be considered one. The price for that is $5 a month. And if you want to remove branding, okay, if you want to remove branding, that goes to $40 per month. That's what white label means. Okay, what other questions? What other questions do we have? Okay, someone said, we're on $30 a month. What will we get on Heyo? Again, what you'll get if you're on $30 a month right now is you'll get unlimited fan page tabs on unlimited fan pages. Exactly what you had for paying $30 a month on Leisure. Okay, let me unmute Dave Hobley. Hey, Dave, are you there?
I am.
Hey, lay your question on me, bud. What do you think about the platform first, and then what's your question?
Man, as always, you guys are killing it. I'm loving this product. You know, combining mobile and fan page and website is just what we were dreaming about, man. So you guys are rocking it like a rock star, and we really appreciate it.
You bet. I mean, I tell you what, wait till you actually get in, Dave. You're going to just fall in love with this thing. It's so easy.
I cannot wait. I'm hoping that I can get in there somehow before the show I have coming up. That would be rocking.
Great. Hey, so what's your pricing question?
Well, you know, I had this kind of the same question as Bianca, you know, with the mobile app, so I'm sure we'll be waiting on your email on that one. Excited to hear about that. I think the pricing for everybody is really fair. You guys always work hard to try to make everybody happy, and I'm pretty excited about your pricing model. It's outstanding.
Fantastic. Thanks, David.
You betcha.
All right. Let me see who else hands are up because I'll unmute you. Let's get Eddie Coleman. Hey, Eddie, go ahead. What's your question?
Nate. How you doing, man?
Doing great, bud. What do you think about the platform?
Oh, I think it's great. Drag and drop makes everybody's life so easy, and I wish my nanny was that easy.
I'll tell you what, it is beautiful, Eddie.
Just a suggestion. I think that the matrix from the 30 to the 300, I mean, you get an increment of feature add-ons, and those are definitely enterprise add-ons. So, I mean, the intention of the user is definitely to go out and make money, and I think that's also why that's a sharp price increase for what add-ons that brings.
Mm-hmm.
Just a suggestion, if you add it all up, you end up at about $500 a month. I think if you guys ran a $399 special to grandfather $300 a month total all-in users, I think you'd get a huge response from it. That's what I think.
Mm-hmm. Well, look, what we did is we went out and looked. We said, what are folks building mobile apps for? And what are folks building social apps for? And we've had people saying they want an option to get in where it's not $30 a month, where it's cheaper.
Sure.
So we said, you know what we can do? We can do $5 a month for mobile, $2 a month for web, and then scale up. And guys, I mean, we have put blood, sweat, and tears into this thing for you, and we're really not negotiable with the prices.
Sure. It's a nice app, man. It looks great.
Yeah. We're excited to see how you use it. Again, I really, really think you guys are going to get in here and love it. It's cost affordable, whether you're building it for your own business or selling it to others, Eddie.
Hey, can you drop the Twitter button off if a guy doesn't have a Twitter account, or is that just sort of a standard piece?
Yeah, you can put in whatever you'd like there. We're working on enabling disable. Right now, you just leave that blank.
Well, I got to tell you, we got some of the best coders alive, and every one of them, they actually brought your product to me and said that the way this guy's doing layovers is phenomenal.
Yeah, we're stoked. I'll tell you what. I mean, what's really cool too is when you get in the platform. I mean, it's so easy to switch from product to product, right? You can go from product to product or fan page to fan page with the little drop down right here.
Well, and I think what people are going to get about this as they start to use it is you can do all your development from the Facebook page. So anything you want to create, you create it there, and now you have the ability to duplicate that creation across mobile websites, across regular websites. So people that are just getting into the business, or people that maybe are somewhat technically inclined but aren't ultimately technically inclined, can start in one place and then duplicate their efforts and look like a unique genius across the board.
Exactly. I mean, that's our goal, is to make you guys really look like geniuses. Hey, quick question I see coming up a bunch in the question stream. This is not $40 a month per app. All right, Eddie? It's not $40 a month for white label for each app. It's just $40 a month to make them all white label.
Right, that's what I was saying. So for, if I have $300 now, I get grandfathered in. You add 75, 25. Then you'd add 40 each for the mobile and the website builder. So our total monthly would be locked in about $475.
Yep. You're doing the math right.
Got it.
Yep. Hey, Eddie, we're going to keep massive amounts of value, my friend. Keep the feedback coming.
Thanks, man.
You bet. All right, I'm going to keep scrolling down here and seeing his hands raised so I can get some more questions answered. Jim Farnsworth, you're unmuted. Lay it on me. What do you got?
Can you hear me?
Hey, Jim, I can hear you just barely. Can you speak up a little bit?
How about now?
Oh, it's still tough.
Yeah. Lousy connection.
Sorry, Jim, I can't hear you that well. Feel free to ask us on our wall. We'll be happy to help you out. Okay, let me get Joel Sam. Hey, Joel, what question you got for me?
Hey, man, can you hear me now?
I can hear you great. What do you think about the product, and what do you think about the price?
Oh, man, it's really exciting. My company, Cross Market, we do a lot in the church marketplace and the restaurant marketplace. So I think it's going to have a lot of uses. But I was trying to understand what the mobile app is. Is it something that's getting submitted to the app stores, or is it more like just a mobile website? Am I going to have to submit this to the Apple store that someone downloads it and potentially purchases it? Can you that's just not been clear in the explanations.
So our goal, and what we've heard from a lot of folks, is they want to get these mobile apps out as quickly as possible. And unfortunately, with the process you have to go through with Apple, there's a long process to basically get things passed through. So what we've done is you can take this app. It can be downloaded to users' phones as a bookmark, right? As a bookmark, which can be done again on any phone. But
Sure.
it's not an Apple App Store app or something like that.
Okay.
Does that
Yeah,
help?
yeah, that's definitely helpful. And the only other question was, well, I guess you don't have the social pricing, so you're saying whatever the social pricing was that you have, that will just continue basically. So for
Well,
current leisure,
what are you paying currently on Leisure?
I guess 29, I want to say.
The $30 a month?
I think so.
Yeah, so that pricing, like for the white label, for example, you'll see that. It'll be you can go right in the pricing page to see those once we go live on October 3rd.
Got it. Okay.
Alrighty?
And will there
Fantastic.
be a package for like if you want like all three as a white label? Like what
Yeah,
would the
well,
total be?
there won't be any kind of discount or anything. Again, we think that these things are priced spot on. They're going to be incredibly valuable, and you can just go in and select them just like this to add them up and check out.
Okay.
Alrighty, Jewel?
Cool. Cool, man.
Hey, you bet. What do you think about the product? It's really exciting, isn't it?
Oh man, no, it's really really exciting. I'm looking forward to seeing all the templates, see if there are any that would be a fit for like nonprofits and churches and stuff as well.
Great. Awesome, Joel. Hey, another question, guys, I'm seeing coming in. And how many of you guys paid the 197 on the last webinar? Who paid the 197? Yep, there you go. Good. So all of you guys that paid the 197, listen carefully here. I'm gonna explain what's gonna happen. Okay. All of you guys that paid the 197, when we sold that, there was a little bit of confusion, and we just decided to take the high road here. And what we're going to do is anyone who purchased the $197 on September 6th will have that automatically credited back to your account. Okay. So if you go on here and select white label 70, 40, 25, 40, what we'll do is we'll cover the first month, 2 months for you. So that 197 will be applied to the plans that you select. Okay, so Anton, Douglas, Mike, Fergan, Rox, Ross, David, Craig, Andrew, Randy, Kevin, Kim, Bianca, Leanne, all you guys, does that make sense? Does the 197 make sense? Yep. Okay, great. Great. Fantastic. Good. Okay, Adrian Kern said the pricing is not clear. Adrian, which part are you confused about? I'm happy to get your questions answered. Okay, Craig Cameron said, so will there be no unlimited option for mobile? Yep, Craig, there is. You see right here where it says 11 plus? You guys see here where it says 11 plus? This is unlimited. Okay, this is unlimited. Does that help? Same thing down here on web. That's unlimited. Okay, King said, is it $70 per month for each mobile app or $70 per month for unlimited mobile apps? King, I know it's hard to believe. It's $70 a month for unlimited mobile applications. Unlimited mobile applications for you. Okay. Okay, what other questions? Guys? Again, let me refresh the fan page here. Okay, Adrian Kern said the app selection 11 plus $70 plus the white label is extra 40. Adrian, I'm not sure what your question is there. The answer to it is yes. If you wanted unlimited mobile apps and you wanted them all white label, it's $70 plus $40 a month. Okay. All right. Okay. King said, what happens if I purchase 3 mobile apps today and then need another 8 apps next month? How am I billed? King, that's a great thing. You can upgrade and downgrade as you see fit. All you do is you just click the radio button, my friend. It's really that easy. You can change your plan, Chris, at any time. Randy, yes. Yep, it'll be credited social, mobile, web, the 197. That's accurate, right, guys? Josh Bryan. Yep, 197 social, mobile, web, guys. Okay, let's see, what other questions? Okay, Rita, if the mobile website is a bookmark, if the mobile website is an app in the Android App Store, will it work the same day in real-time push notification text? Rita, the mobile app is a marketing tool. Okay, so it is real time. If you make a change on the Heyo back end, it'll update on the front end. All right, but there's not like a push notification if you add another photo or something like that. Okay. Joanne LaFar, oh Josh, you're gonna love this question. Joanne asked, will the mobile app work with pages that aren't built with Leisure? Let's answer. Can you guys still hear me? Did I cut out? Did I lose audio completely? Can you guys hear me? Can you hear me now? There we go. Okay, good. Okay, so hey, Joanne, to answer your question, the answer is yes. Okay, here's how. The mobile app will work with pages that don't have Leisure tabs on them. Okay. What won't happen though is we'll only show. So this part of the mobile app, where we'll show your tabs, will only show tabs on that fan page that have created with Leisure. Does that make sense? So that's why this is so phenomenal, right? You can actually go in here and let's say this fan page down here, Brian's store, let's say there's no Leisure tabs on that. You can still click create under mobile and we'll generate a great mobile app for you. So you can pick and choose which ones you want to use. You guys really have all the control. You really have all the control. Okay, Will, yes, there'll be a replay, and they'll send out a review. Michael says, dude, this is a smoking deal. Michael, we're really excited about it. You guys are going to love this when you get on. Tammy said, can we put our own branding on the mobile app if we white label? Tammy, the only way you'll be able to build in your own branding is if you do it through like the Facebook photos or the tabs that you created that you built into the mobile app or something like that. So you won't be able to put like powered by Tammy's company across the bottom. Okay. Dan Peskin, does the white label hide the Heyo URL? No, what the white label does is removes powered by Heyo across the bottom. If you want to mask the URL in any way, you can do that through your own domain settings, Dan. Okay, Monica, is there an option to white label certain Facebook pages for an additional charge on the $30 a month package? Again, Monica, you'll see all the social pricing when you log on October 30th, okay? Jim, that's exactly right. Tell you what, though, you're going to love it when you get your hands on it, okay? Okay, Stephanie Fisher said, how difficult will it be to move up the price ladder? Someone starts out with 3 mobile apps, then they need to add 2 more to move up. Will they pay $13, then an additional $42, or will they just pay the difference? Hope this makes sense. Stephanie, I understand your question completely. It's not 70 plus 42 plus 13 plus 5. It's just the difference. So if you're paying $5 per month for mobile and you upgrade to 2 to 3 apps, it's now $13 per month for 2 to 3 apps, not 5 plus 13. All right, guys? Great. Okay, let me go back here. Ooh. David said, any chance of making the website builder wider? Most pages are now over 1,000 pixels wide. Again, David, that's something we're thinking here. One thing we have to consider is when people use the editor on their own computers, will they have enough room if we make it wider to see the editor and the editing space all within the same frame? So it's something we're considering for sure. Monica said, if you're on the $30 plan and want to add a mobile app and want white label, that would be with that, would the cost be $75 per month? Yes, Monica, that's exactly right. Let me unmute Monica. Unmute Monica. Where's Monica? Hey, Monica, you're unmuted. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
I can hear you great. What do you think about the product?
I am so excited about this. Every time you guys come out with something new, you exceed my expectations.
Woo, woo. Give me a big old Heyo chant.
Heyo!
It sounds good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Great. So your question, did I get it answered?
Yeah, you did. I just wanted to make sure I was understanding how that worked. So that makes sense.
You got it, Monica. You're dead on.
Great. Right.
All right, great. Okay, let's look else here. This person says, I need to reactivate my Leisure account to start using this. How can I get my information? Josh, what will people do if they had a Leisure account and they stopped using it? What you can do is submit your email to support and we'll take care of you. So we'll get you on the Heyo platform when it goes live on October 3rd, okay? Okay. All right, good. Yeah, we got most of those already answered. Let me refresh again. Okay. What are we going to show? Okay, please explain the mobile app again. I thought it was a website that was for mobile phones. Sounded like you said it was bookmarked to be used. So Joe, what it is it's a mobile. You can think of it like a mobile website, but you can also get it so that the icon is on your phone by saving it as a bookmark, which any phone can do. So if your customers want that mobile website saved right on their desk on their phone, they can bookmark it and have the icon right there. Lauren will send out a replay, okay? Hey, Jill, what do you mean here? Will you kindly reconsider the visual tag that says create in 30 seconds for those not ready to purchase the white label? That visual, when seen by clients, yeah, Jill, again, the reason we can do competitive pricing at as low as $5 a month is because if you guys are going to go out and sell mobile apps to other folks, right, $40 a month is really a fantastic price. I mean, it really is a great price to build a mobile app to this quality and sell it out to other folks. So again, in order to get no powered by Leisure or built in 30 seconds, you choose the white label option right here. Will said, webinars on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, what time? This is amazing. Will, stay tuned. I'll get you an email when we get that all sent up. We're going to have, check this out. We've got David and Alex. They've set up mobile Mondays, website Wednesdays, and fan page Fridays. And it's going to be fantastic value. Amy Wong says, if we're already on the business plan, do we get unlimited mobile apps white labeled as well, or do we pay again for mobile apps? Again, guys, I'm going to say this again so I can be really, really super clear. No one will be grandfathered in to anything related to the mobile builder or the website builder because they're products that have not existed in the past. What you will be grandfathered into is anything you're already paying for the fan page builder. Okay? Does that make sense? Let me get Chris Moss unmuted here real quick. I want Chris's feedback on pricing. ABC Chris. Hey Chris, you're unmuted, my man. What do you think about the platform and specifically about the pricing? Well, let me see if I can unmute you. Weird, it's not going to let me unmute you. Sorry about that, Chris. All right, let me go here and see if there's any other questions. Great, we got all those already. Fantastic. Great, great, great. All right, guys, any other questions? Any other questions for me, guys? Again, just to reiterate, this won't, if you go to heyo.com right now, you can't access it. We're not launching until October 3rd, and we're going to do that on heyo.com/live. So make sure you're here. The second this thing goes live, you guys will be able to log on to heyo.com and start using the fantastic array of tools we've put together for you, okay? All right, great, 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 great. All right, guys, good, good, good. Well, I got some great feedback. I hope this helped you guys. Guys, yes or no? Is this a big help? Does everyone understand what they're doing and how you're going to be grandfathered in and what the pricing is and how the product works? Is everyone got this? Yes or no? Let me know in the questions right now so I can get a sense of where we're all at. Great, great, great. Seeing a lot of folks saying this thing looks brilliant. Again, guys, on October 3rd, Leisure becomes Heyo, a fan page builder on steroids, a breakthrough mobile app creator, and a simply remarkable website builder. You guys are going to be able to have it all. It's really, really fantastic. It's the best thing we've ever built. So look forward to October 3rd, guys. Get on here to the heyo.com/live site. And as always, guys, from our headquarters to you guys make us tick. This pricing we've done because you guys asked for it. You wanted something cheaper than $30 to get started, and you wanted something between $30 and $300 to get white label. We've done it. You wanted mobile apps. You wanted fan page tabs on mobile. We've done it. You wanted websites. You wanted to build them with the same intuition and the drag and drop abilities that our social builder have. Guys, we've done it. We've delivered. You guys will get it on October 3rd. Be sure to check into that live page, heyo.com/live, where you'll have the chance to log on. You'll be grandfathered in, and you'll be able to go in and start using and purchasing the mobile and web builders. All right? And if you have any more questions, guys, post them on our fan page. All right, I'm going to let Lisa Blacker, the one who created the exclusive fan page builders group, joining us from Chicago, take us out. Hey, Lisa, you're unmuted. Are you there?
Hey, Nathan. This was awesome. I'm just so thrilled about this. You know, one of the things that I love especially about these three fabulous platforms is that we can have brand continuity. It's going to be so much easier than trying to find the right color on the WordPress theme and you know, with the mobile apps. You've made it so much easier for us and for our clients' customers as well. And I so sincerely appreciate that. I'm very eager to get going with this.
Fantastic. That's what I love hearing, Lisa. Well, hey, guys, buckle up. Get ready. Lisa, I'll see you on October 3rd. And keep in mind, guys, this is your product. Your feedback, Lisa, Stephanie, Michael, Kim, Mark, you know, Susan Curtis, Amy Wong. We're all building this together. This is the next chapter. This is the best thing we've built. You guys are going to love it. I'll see you on October 3rd. All right, guys? Great.
Heyo.
See you, Lisa. Bye-bye. Heyo.